before putting him behind bars, they should disbar him. Because he didn't only scam people, bro. He also destroyed innocent families. There are certain things you can only do in your own country, but not in another man's country because their system is working. Some Africans exploit the sorrow of their fellow Africans to make money without delivering what they paid for. I'm back again. So the news on the table right now is that Kofi Amankwa, a New York-based Ghanaian immigration lawyer facing 15 years in jail for duping thousands of innocent immigrants with the promise of securing a green card for them. Kofi Amankwa didn't operate his fraudulent schemes alone. He was assisted by his son, Kofi Amankwa Jr. and his associates, Sylvester Boateng and Co. According to a New York lawmaker, their actions are equivalent to defrauding the government and stealing the American dream of families, as a lot of people that went to him to apply were deported. Kofi Amankwa and his son allegedly charged immigrant clients $6,000 each, exploiting the Federal Violence Against Women Act. Their scheme involved in claiming the immigrants were victims of domestic abuse, a tactic aimed at accelerating for these immigrants to secure legal residency in the US. This particular strategy raised concerns as it appeared to involve in manipulation of a legislation designed to protect victims of violence.
Well, and Adam, it is a new development, and on the schedule this afternoon, both the attorney and his son, they are expected to post bond. You know, of all of the alleged immigration schemes that we have covered, this is the most heart-wrenching. So many families say they've been torn apart by false promises.
It's hard to believe that this is happening to my family because we never expected this to happen.
An anguished Ricardo Velasquez Jr. and his family talked to us in their Bronx apartment last spring. Federal authorities had just deported Ricardo Sr. back to his native Mexico after the family returned to the Bronx from visiting relatives. Ricardo Sr. had worked as a cook for years, raising 4 U.S. citizen children. The family went to this attorney, Kofi Amankwa, hoping to get legal status for both parents.
The plan was for me to sponsor my parents through my employer. He made us the promise that, we had the right documentations to submit to immigration so that my parents could receive the immigration status.
But Ricardo Jr. and many others who came forward to the I-team say they later discovered that Amankwa had filed false immigration documents under a government program called VAWA, designed to expedite green cards for domestic violence victims. The feds say Amankwa claimed that children like Ricardo Jr. were abusers.
I couldn't believe it.
The worst part about the whole issue is he is an immigrant too. How can you do this to others? I heard he done scammed a couple Ghanaians, but they have left it to God. This is the issue we have as Africans. You follow me? Like, you will offend an African or a Ghanaian will get offended. Instead of seeking legal assistance, they will be like, okay, I leave it to God. Bro, you can leave it to God and at the same time report it to the law. Sometimes we need to help God to finish it faster. So stop talking like, yeah, I leave it to God, I leave it to God. Because of this, I leave it to God, I leave it to God slogan, most of African people are being scammed. Some individuals will save their hard-earned money and relocate to another country, whether legal or illegal, bro, because they can't achieve the dream they have in mind in their home country. Unfortunately, their fellow Africans take advantage of this situation, like the situation of them coming in illegal, like make them fake promises to drain their money. It isn't the fault of the immigrants. They believe they have found someone that could help them achieve their American dream. According to the news, this man, Kofi Amankwa, is an immigration lawyer. So the people might have thought, okay, he is closer to the source and he is the only one that can genuinely assist them. And now, most of the families are separated because most of them were deported. He couldn't get them what they paid for. Truth be told, some of the older African folks are money greedy. Like, bro, they are greedy when it comes to money. Bro, if I had this opportunity, I would have done for my family, especially the ones that been asking me for money every season. Because in case I get caught, I did it for the family, but not to put innocent family in harm and get them deported because I couldn't accomplish what I promised them. How does this make sense? Bro, the least opportunity an African gets, he tries to use it on innocent people. He tries to use it on innocent people or take advantage of the situation that these innocent people are in. Bro, if these innocent people were to be in a stable situation, do you think they would have come to him for assistance? No. If you find yourself in a situation that is harder, bro, you believe everything. You believe every Kokwanansi story or Scooby-Doo story someone tells you, because your aim is to get help. Your aim is to come out of this uncomfortable situation situation. But most people take advantage of that and drain money out of people's pocket. Meanwhile, this lawyer knew, say, what he is about, bro, he can make it possible. He can accomplish it. That's why I said, even if I had the opportunity, I would use it on my family. So if they catch me out, bro, I did it for the family. Family is everything. Family first. Bro, my guilty conscience won't even allow me to use it on innocent people. I know, say, I can make it happen. He knew it. He can't tell me he didn't know it. He knew it, but still did it because he is money hungry and greedy. These are some old African folks. It serves him right. They should put him behind bars, like for life, for destroying people's families, for being money hungry, for just like lying to people you could do this and that, knowing you can't make it happen. Bro, you are not sitting behind a visa machine, bro. Come on. Before they put him behind bars, they should disbar him too. Because he didn't only, your friend saying, scammed people. He also destroyed families of innocent people who were only searching for greener pastures. What's your opinion on this issue or on this topic? Write it in the comment section and let's talk it out. Y'all know what it is. I go by the name Ruthless. Like the video. Write your opinion in the comment section. In case you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed, do me this favor. Punch the subscription button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell when you are done. Y'all know what it is. I'm out.